Today we have a 2017 GMC Terrain, 13,500 miles, clean auto check. Comes with balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. So it does have a nice big chrome grille. This chrome on the fascia that circles up around your fog lights down there on the bottom. Also has a chrome backed headlights. See, it does have the alloy GMC rims on there with Michelin rubber. Could run 3/4 tread on the tires. Good shape. Does have the chrome mirror caps. Also has the chrome roof racks, along with the chrome trim door handles. See, the interior is black on black, black leather split buckets up front. Does have the brushed aluminum on the doors and on the dash. Does have the Pioneer entertainment system. Back seats, which are pretty roomy in these. You can see the center does fold down for an armrest and cup holders. And if you need more space in the back, those seats do fold down just like that. And you do have a 12-volt power source in the back of your console. And rubber on the back, just like the front, maybe a little bit better. And you'll notice from the badging, this is the SL2 model, all-wheel drive. The antenna on the roof there will be for your Sirius XM radio. You have your rear wiper, rear defrost. So you do have the nice chrome exhaust tip, along with the chrome trim that runs along the back of the car. All-wheel drive model, of course. If you look at the hatch area, which is pretty spacious, you do have a plug back here for a 12-volt power source, and you have a couple nice deep cubby holes in the sides, and you do have your speaker mounted here in the back of the hatch also. Pop this panel up, you see underneath there you have your spare tire, your jack, which is mounted to the back, and your tools in case you have a flat. And tires and wheels again on this side, all pretty well the same the whole way around. And the seating folds down, of course, on this side also, just like the other side that I showed you. Go ahead and hop inside and give you a quick look at the interior. Power locks, windows, mirrors, right on your driver's door. And you can see on the odometer that just went out, your current mileage is 13,515. And on your steering wheel, you have your cruise control. You have your Bluetooth, your audio settings, and your heads-up display settings for your instrument panel. Of course, your headlight switch, turn signals, and wipers. And here's your audio screen. You can link all your phones through here, your Bluetooth, whatnot. And your satellite radio, of course, is there. All those settings are for that. Drop down below that, you have heating and air conditioning controls. You have controls for your driver and passenger heated seating. And your buttons to control your audio screen above. Down you see your shifter for your automatic transmission with the plus and minus feature if you choose to shift manually. And then you also have an economy button on here that if you run in economy mode, it will change your shift points a little bit and improve your fuel economy some. You also have your traction control. Nice deep center console with a removable top tray. And you'll see down in there you also have a USB plug and an auxiliary plug. Plug in your devices. At the bottom of this cubby, it's kind of hard to see down in there, it's dark, but you do have a 12-volt power source down in there as well. You can see this is a nice, clean vehicle. No rips, tears, no smells of pets or smoke. I'm going to go ahead and start the engine up. We'll give you a look under the hood. See, also nice and clean underneath there. Does have a 2.4 liter Ecotech engine, which is GM's 4-cylinder. Gets a pretty good fuel economy, upwards around 30 gallons, 30 miles per gallon. It is a real good, tough little engine that GM's been putting in a lot of their vehicles. It's a pretty tried and true engine. Here it's pretty quiet operating. Final thing we are going to do here on the video, I'm going to walk you around one last time and pinpoint any blemishes or anything that we see. We try to do that for you in case you're interested in coming out to take a look. You pretty much know as much as we do about it when you get here. It does have a real nice jet black paint job on it. If you're looking for a pre-owned black terrain, this is a pretty darn nice one. There is a little ding on the driver's door. I'll try and show it to you here. There, you can see it. It's probably about a ½ inch high, maybe. It's down below your driver's door handle. And just very typical couple little tiny stone chips on the front grille, which is pretty common. That's about all I have to show you. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe setting up a test drive, you can give us a call, 717-485-4224, or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.